Maybe you have the question of how to burn chest fat? Well, we have to say that burning chest fat is a bit challenging, especially for men, but the good news is that with a healthy diet and exercise together, you can burn chest fat. Watch this video of Pars Health channel to learn more about proper diet and the best exercise to burn chest fat in men. Your chest muscles are some of the strongest muscles in your upper body. They have a crucial role in pushing movements, from opening the door to lathering up your hair in the shower. We know how vital it is to include exercises that target the chest in your workouts, so you can make sure that you'll work those muscles. If you want to do more, try these at-home bodyweight chest movements and exercises. Number 7. Chest fly. Stretching your arms, also called a fly, is another excellent way to strengthen the chest muscles. Lie on your back or stand on a slight slope. Use 2 or 3 kilograms weights and hold each one with one hand, pulling the arms directly over your chest. Slowly open your arms as if extending your wings, then slowly bring your arms back. You can also do this move using a resistance band. Grasp the bandage, try to wrap it around the pillar or door handle, and hold one end in each hand. Start by opening your arms, then fold your arms in front of your chest, then slowly open them again. Change the type of exercise you normally do every 3 to 4 weeks to challenge your chest muscles. Number 6. Incline chest press. Incline chest press with Smith is another exercise that can burn chest fat in men. Place an adjustable bench under the Smith machine. Hold the barbell so that your arms are slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower the barbell, but do not let it touch your chest. Push the barbell up in an explosive motion. Breathe in as you push the barbell up, and breathe out as you lower it. Do this movement the first few times, 3 sets with 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Number 5. Pullover with dumbbells. Lie on a training bench, hold a dumbbell with a friend with your arms straight and outstretched. Place it above the chest. Now slowly move the dumbbell back so that the hands are straight above the head and the chest muscles are fully stretched. Slowly return to the starting pose and do this exercise as much as you can. In the first days, try to use lighter dumbbells. Number 4. Cable crossover. Crossover is one of the perfect exercises to lose fat around and under the chest. Start by setting the handle above your head, bend your body slightly and pull the handle with your hands towards the body so that the hands meet in front of the waist and make an X shape. Now slowly move the hands up until they are at shoulder level. It is recommended to put one of the legs slightly forward in order to have more balance. Over time, you can increase the number of times you move and also the weight. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. Chest press. The chest press is one of the best bodybuilding strength exercises that involves the upper body and causes fat loss. Lie on an open chest press bench, lifting the barbell with your arms shoulder width apart. Hold and gently approach the chest, taking a deep breath before approaching the barbell to the chest. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle as you lower the barbell, and when the barbell touches your chest, lift it up for a so-called chest press. Number 2. Push-up. The push-up is a simple exercise that puts a lot of pressure on the arms, chest, and midsection, resulting in increased fat burning in these areas. Place your hands flat on the floor, and place the tips of your feet on the floor to maintain your balance. Now bring your body close to the ground so that the elbows are bent, and the chin is close to the ground, and then with the power of the arms, back up again. Number 1. Chest dips. Chest dips are a great activity to build a muscular chest, and some even argue that it is the overall best chest exercise. This workout not only adds depth to the chest but also width. In addition, as your body isn't supported by the bench like in a chest press, other muscles function as you have to work harder to stabilize your body weight. Other tips to lose chest fat. Losing chest fat is not separated from losing fat anywhere else on your body, and there's no way to burn fat from your chest only. It comes as a piece and parcel of total body fat loss. You should burn 3,500 calories to lose 1 pound of fat. It's just math. You can gain a caloric deficit through diet, exercise, or both. Figure that most of us consume between 1,800 and 3,000 calories a day. You aren't required to do anything drastic. Decreasing 500 calories from your daily intake amounts to a total weight loss of 1 pound per week, and those pounds add up fast. Cardio is one of the most despised elements of weight loss. Yet, it is essential to keep a healthy metabolism and burn more calories. Exercise for 20 to 40 minutes 4 times a week at a moderate pace for best results, either outside or with training equipment indoors. There are many options, including bicycle, elliptical, stair climber, jumping rope, and running outside while listening to music. Cardio activities target multiple muscle groups, also supporting the chest area to lose all that extra fat. The best thing about cardio is combining it with other weight loss chest workouts like lifting low-weight dumbbells. Lastly, eat a nutritious diet to help these chest exercises. This entails eating healthy foods and completely refraining from fast and processed foods. When you have a caloric deficit connected to insufficient dietary intake, you might not see the desired results as fast. What do you do to lose chest fat? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.